Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So the guy that you see here on the picture, his name is Ndodana Mkhanyisi Chuma. So this guy, he was a wanted criminal. He unalived his family in the UK, and then he decided to just run to South Africa because South Africa is just a country where people who are committing crimes are just running to. So his name is Ndodana Mkhanyisi Chuma. He unalived his wife and two daughters. Notabo Zandile Chuma, his wife, who is 42 years old, and their two daughters. First one is Natalie, who is 15 years old, and the other one is Nala, who is 5 years old. So this guy was arrested in Johannesburg, Kensington. He was arrested because the police were looking for him. They were looking for him. They were in contact with the police in the UK. I don't know why they thought maybe he will run to South Africa, because he definitely ran to South Africa. So this guy is not even from South Africa, but he decided to commit a crime and then run to South Africa. Like, why not go to your own country? So it is said that the guy is allegedly from Zimbabwe. I'm not sure about that. That's why I'm saying allegedly. He is from Zimbabwe and the wife is also from Zimbabwe. So they moved to the UK, had children, got married, only for the guy to just decide to unalive this beautiful family. Just look at the kids. Like, you I hope he gets life in prison, because what do you mean you just decided to end their lives at such a young age? And then you are running away. So apparently they just found the bodies lying there. He didn't even try to hide it or anything like that. The bodies were just lying there, all three of them killed. So he is currently going to be facing trial and whatnot. People are fuming on social media. They are just like, why would you commit a crime and then decide to run to South Africa? Why not go to your own country? Like, people are just taking this country for granted, and people are also happy that at least they caught him, so that people will know, others will know that South Africa is not just a country that you can just run to because you think the law enforcement is just so poor, or maybe you think you can just take advantage of our system, because we know the stories that have been happening in our country. So people are just happy that at least he got busted, at least they caught him, and other criminals also can see this as a lesson. This is not just a dumping site that people can just come and dump themselves here after committing crimes. And I hope they catch others that are also here uh, trying to hide themselves from the world, because Sana, this is just getting too serious for now. South Africa is already crowded as it is. And when we try to say something, they will say we are xenophobic. This guy is from Zimbabwe. If we try to raise an issue about this person being from Zimbabwe but deciding to run to South Africa, they will say we are xenophobic. So we must just keep quiet. We must just keep quiet. The people must just come to our country to hide themselves. And I'm just wondering, Guti, how many people are hiding in our country? People who have committed crimes that are hiding in our country because they know nje ukuthi, South Africa is just a country nje. Like, this is really so sad, hey?